Hello.
Hello, good morning, Shibata Sensei. How are you?
Hi, I'm okay.
Good, good. You can hear me okay?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, excellent, excellent.
Yeah.
So it's morning with you now in Japan,
Yeah.
and you are about to
Yeah.
start in your workshop.
Yeah, I'm in the workshop.
Okay, great. So we just wanted to
Yeah.
take a quick look at, kind of a normal day's work in your workshop and some of the bows that you are repairing or making, the process and things like that, if possible.
Uh-huh. So, how can I show you?
Uh-huh.
Can you see all of my workshop now?
Yeah, I can see most of it. Yes, yes.
This angle is okay for you to see my workshop?
I can see most of it, but we cannot see anything in detail, but we can see most of the workshop, yes.
So, how can I? For example, this Yumi, okay, the one of the Yumi I have to repair for my customer because
Okay.
of outside of bamboo is broken like this. You can see, right?
Ah, yes, I can see. Right. It came loose. Okay.
Right. Yeah. So I will have to replace the bamboo.
Uh-huh. Is that
Then,
something you can show us now, or it takes a long time?
no, I will show you how I can.
Okay, great.
Wait. Sure. Right. Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you. Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
This Yumi that I show you, the outside of the bamboo is broken like this, right? So now I have to replace the bamboo. So can you see how I'm working?
Yes, you're scraping off that bamboo, yeah? You're scraping that
Yeah.
part away. Uh-huh.
Yeah. Scraping or cutting. Like this.
Yes. Now, how much do you know to take away? How far are you going down?
Oh, okay, I will show you.
How do you know if it's enough? Yeah.
Wait. Can you see? This is the part of the Yumi. Okay, this is the kind of a cut model. You can see, right? The bamboo, this side, okay, one side. The other side also piece of bamboo.
Yes.
You can see, right?
Yes, I can see. Yeah.
Yeah, in between two bamboo, there is another lamination.
Aha.
It's not one piece. You understand? How this is how I am making the Yumi.
So the lamination in between, this is wood, yes?
Yeah, wood, not only the wood and then both sides, maybe you can see yellow, this one and this one is very yellow, right?
Yes, yes.
This is a wood.
Uh-huh.
In between two wood, there is another bamboo this way.
Ah, okay.
In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of bamboo this way. Maybe it's not so clear for you to see.
Yes, no, I can kind of see it. Yes, it's at a right angle from the other bamboo.
Yeah. So this is the lamination. Before I put the bamboo this side and the other side. You understand? And in this case, two yellow wood both sides, and in between two yellow wood there is 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of the bamboo this way. Then one other kind of the wood. This is ahorn. That's German. Maple.
Aha, maple. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, maple. Yeah.
Right.
And these two the wood is a kind of it's very difficult to explain every time because there is no such a wood in out of Japan.
Okay.
It's kind of yeah. It's do you know wax tree? Wax.
No, but this is the native wood. This is native to Japan.
Yeah, Japan. This kind of the tree will have lots of nuts in autumn. There used to be people taking a nut from the tree to make wax for candle. Used to be.
Ah, I see. I understand. Okay, so it has some little bit of moisture in.
Maybe.
Little bit. Yeah.
Anyway, okay. The bamboo is very, very flexible item. Okay, I will show you how flexible bamboo is. For example, this is a bamboo, okay? It's very flexible, like this. You can see it, right? Very flexible.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Two flexible items, the one side and the other side, right? Then I have to put some other kind of material which is completely different as the two bamboos as a flexible item. So the core, the lamination in between two bamboo is very brittle or hard to make a power for the Yumi. The combination of two kind of material, two bamboos are very flexible. The one in between two bamboos, it's lamination like this. It's very brittle, hard.
Brittle, yes, right.
Yeah, two kind of the material will cooperate together to make a Japanese bow, the Yumi.
So it's like two opposites.
Yeah, two.
Interesting.
That's that's very interesting.
And why on the outside you have the bamboo is in one direction, but inside the lamination is different direction.
So.
Okay.
Yeah. So that then like this. It's very clear to see, right?
Yes, can see.
So, okay, this is outside of this bamboo is outside of the Yumi. So very often outside of the bamboo is spread out, broken. Then customer asked me to replace the bamboo. So I have to cut the broken bamboo until the lamination.
Yes. Okay, I understand. So you take off the
Do you want to
layer
see more?
until you get the lamination, right?
So, that's right. Okay, I will continue to.
Okay, you continue. Yeah, very
Yes.
interesting. Very interesting. So for anyone watching this, we are watching Shibata Sensei. He's repairing a yumibow which has a broken part of a bamboo. So he's shaving it down until we can see the lamination inside. There we can see. And he is now going to repair this part of the bow, but he's cleaning it off, shaving it down until he can see the lamination layer under the bamboo. And Shibata Sensei is 21st generation Yumi bow master, so all of his techniques he's learned many years, a lot of experience. So we're very lucky to be able to see how he's fixing this.
Now you can see the lamination, right?
Yes, can see it. Yeah.
Then I have to do it away from the bottom to the top. Then later, then I have to put the new one on this side. Anyway, taking off the broken bamboo from the Yumi, maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes.
Right. Not very long. Now, the new bamboo that you put on, how is it important that it is the same quality and type of bamboo as the bow itself so that it works together?
So that's right. Especially same thickness. Otherwise, if I put the thinner one than old one, Yumi will be weaker than before. If I put the thicker one than old one, Yumi will be stronger. But sometimes customer ask me to make weaker, and sometimes customer ask me to stronger than before. I have to listen to them.
Yes. Now, this Yumi bow was made by you anyway, yeah?
This is
All of the bows that you are repairing, you made them yourself?
No, no, maybe 80% of repairing Yumi like this is coming from other makers.
Other makers.
Other makers.
Yes.
I don't know why other makers they don't want to repair. It's not a very good business, maybe. But for me, and for my son, we don't care. We like it.
You like it?
Repair.
Yeah.
Repairing, we like it. And also, tell the truth, repairing the Yumi is make more money than making new Yumi.
Well, that's good. But also, if you're repairing a lot, this also gives you more experience in seeing different bows and how to repair them and learning new things, right?
That's right.
Yeah.
But we are doing too many, so now we are not interested about it. Well, anyway.
So okay, so now the new bamboo that you're going to put on, you know, it has to be, like I said, the same quality as the bow itself. So do you have in stock extra bamboo for this?
Of course. Now we have maybe how many pieces of bamboo? maybe little less than 2,000 pieces of bamboo.
Wow, amazing.
2,000.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's a lot. And all of the bamboo is categorized, you know, different quality, different strength, etc. Because some bamboo is very old, some is new.
Yeah, that's right. And also some of the bamboo which is growing close to the river is more flexible. And then the other kind of the bamboo which is growing in the mountain is much more hard than the other. So it's a very one of the difficulty is we have to see the bamboo, the quality of the bamboo, flexible or not flexible, hard or not hard, something like that. That's very difficult to see, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
But okay, many of craft people, they will say, okay, they will say they have to talk to with material to see the material, right? But I don't like it to say that way because material. Or for example, for me, material bamboo will not anyway. Understand? It's kind of a joke. But anyway, the nature is not so simple. For example, like I like to say that all the material from nature is not so simple. Not so easy, not very easy to see the quality or to see the material itself. It's almost impossible. The nature is not so simple and nature is not so sweet for us. You understand?
Yeah, yeah.
So, of course, I try to see the quality of the bamboo. Yeah, very, very much. But it's not so easy. Even I have so much experience to make the Yumi, to take care of the bamboo, but it's not so easy.
It's not easy.
It's not so easy.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm working to make Yumi over 40 years.
Yes.
But still difficult.
Still difficult. Yeah.
So still difficult. That's true. My truth. But other people will say they can, but I don't think so. I cannot trust that.
It's like mysterious wood.
Mysterious. All the material from nature is mysterious. That's why I'm not boring to make Yumi. Making Yumi is always Yumi.
Yes.
Nothing else.
Yes.
But all the material is coming from nature. That's why it's so interesting. That's why I like to continue to make the Yumi.
Because it's something new each time. Nature is producing something new each time.
Yeah. Every time something new. Every time something new. Every time something unexpected. Or
So you can never get bored. Very good. Okay, please continue.
Okay, but I cannot finish. Maybe take 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Okay, if you like to see how I replace the bamboo for this Yumi or something other, maybe what time is it? Your time now is
now
after midnight, right?
2 a.m.
2 a.m. So very late. So for you, sorry.
It's okay.
How about tomorrow afternoon, maybe 5 or 6 o'clock, my time?
Okay.
I'm going to laminate to put then I can show you how I replace the bamboo. The bamboo.
Yeah, perfect. On this bow, the same bow.
Yeah, or maybe some other bow.
Sure.
And also for making a new bow.
Yes, good idea. I think that would be very good. Yeah. We can do that. So today we saw how you can strip away the bamboo of a broken part, and then tomorrow, next video, you'll show us how you laminate and put the bamboo on.
So that's right. Otherwise, if I work one by one, it's not very. I'm wasting the time and wasting.
Of course, you work on many different bows at the same time, yeah.
Yeah, maybe 4. I think 5 bows, 5 Yumi.
Okay. Before we finish, can you show us some other bows which have which need repair? Like what type of damage they have, or are they always the same? Is it
most of the broken Yumi is like this.
I see. So they are breaking at the joints between the nodes. Yeah, they're breaking there. I see. Do you ever have repairs at the ends, where the string is? Sometimes that's broken or not?
Yeah. Or like a nut.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yes.
Yeah. Sometimes, part of it is broken and chipped off, or maybe take apart. I have to fix. I can fix it, of course, but it's not very. It's such a broken. It's very easy to fix it. Not like broken bamboo. Yeah.
I see. What was I going to ask? It was the ends, and I forgot now. Oh yes, when you laminate it, you remind me the glue that you're using. It's normal adhesive glue or special glue?
It's not normal glue like wood glue, like a white one. I don't use it. What to say? Kind of.
Is it natural glue?
No, natural glue. This time of the year, I don't use natural glue. Only the winter time.
Only the winter time. Oh, because it's too hot now.
Too hot. That's right.
So you use like epoxy glue?
No, epoxy. No.
Industrial glue?
Yeah, industrial glue. Used to be people are using for making plywood. Do you know what the urea glue is? Urea.
No.
Like urea means like urination of urine.
Oh, I see. Okay, no, I don't know that glue.
They smell like very bad, like ammonium.
Oh, I see.
So that's why American craft people, they call piss glue. Yeah, it's true because of the smell very bad. Yeah. It's a very simple glue.
Where did it come from?
Well, they come from like a company.
Okay.
Yeah,
not
chemical
from
company.
Not from humans' urination.
No.
Okay, so it's like a modern type of glue anyway, not natural.
No, not the natural glue.
Okay.
Like a natural glue. Now we have. I have to make it by myself. Used to be, people can buy it, but no one use. So natural glue is which is called nibe in Japanese. It's a nibe is made out of from deer skin.
So desu ne. Okay.
Yeah, like you know what hide glue is?
Yes, hide glue. Yeah, I've heard of that.
Hide glue.
Yep.
Hide glue is made out from cow or something like that. Yeah, but one of the natural glue we are using is made out from deer skin.
Deer skin, very interesting.
Deer,
Is it
yeah,
a
deer
long process to make? Does it take long time to make the glue?
Not so much many process, but long time. Just cutting very small and put them into the pot and cooking, maybe 3 or 4 days, all day long.
Wow, long time.
Long time, yeah.
But
not so much process, but long time.
yeah, but when you have the glue, it's very strong glue, it's very good.
Not strong like chemical glue, but the glue is more flexible in between material. The chemical glue is just stick together, hold together very tight and strong, but it's not flexible. It's very brittle. Yeah. But
I see.
Nibe glue, natural glue is more flexible.
More flexible. And you said Nibe glue is better in the winter, not in the summer.
Not in the summer. Too hot.
Too hot. Okay.
Yeah.
It will become fluid or not like melt. It will become too flexible, too soft.
But Nibe glue is not very good against the high humidity.
I see.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, Shibata Sensei. So we continue tomorrow.
Tomorrow, I think tomorrow afternoon about 5 o'clock is good time for you, right? In the morning for you, right?
Yeah,
5
morning.
o'clock means
Minus
about
8.
6 hours from now, maybe 6 hours.
Yeah, about 9 9 a.m. Yeah.
9 a.m. Yeah.
Yeah, should be. Yeah, that should be fine. You send me a message, and then I will be ready for you.
Okay. When I'm ready to work with lamination to get laminate together, I will send a message.
Fine. Okay.
Tomorrow morning, your time, are you free?
Yes, I can be free. Yeah.
Okay. I will send a message to you.
So you mean today is now Monday? Yes, Monday.
Today is Monday. Yeah.
Okay. So you will message me. You will message me Monday or Tuesday?
Tuesday.
Okay.
Tuesday morning, your time sometime.
Correct.
Maybe after 8. After 8.
Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah. Hi, arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you very much, Shibata Sensei.
I have a good dream. Sleep well. Like
Thank you.
I will say.
and you have a good work. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, bye. Sayonara. Bye.